moment.
You don't need much space to exercise. I'm doing this at the moment. You don't need much space at all. You always do it in the toilet. Yeah, seriously, you don't need a very big space at all, do you?
No, you don't. And there's a lot of things that you can actually do in the home or even just in the workplace. So it's being a little bit mindful about how much you're exercising during the day and just moving more when you can.
Exactly.
Could you just explain to me what exercise you're doing in the toilet?
Okay, I'll tell you. Thank you for asking, Mark. You've been so good today. Honestly, this guy is on fire. What you can do, I'm glad you asked, what you do is squats. So you go up and down, and they're called froggies. So you go up and down doing froggies. This is what we do at the Butterbean course. We do the froggies.
Okay,
No.
Thank you for doing that. Can I ask a question?
Brilliant.
Can I please
Froggies
move
in the
this on?
toilet.
What do you make of things like diet